This video we'll see about plant hormones. Hormone in Greek it means to excite. The function of control and coordination in plants is performed by chemical substances which are produced by the plants. These chemical substances are called plant hormones or else phytohormones. Now we'll see the types of plant hormones. We can classify these plant hormones into two categories. They are growth promoters and growth inhibitors. Auxin, cytokinins and gibberellins are growth promoters. Abscisic acid and ethylene are growth inhibitors. The functions of these hormones are given or explained by this diagram. Auxin induces gravitation of the roots as well as it creates that is responsible for apical dominance, the growth of the tip. And cytokinin and gibberellins are responsible for cell division. Initiation of flowering is done by cytokinin. Stomatal closure is induced by abscisic acid. Growth of young fruits is induced by cytokinin. And ethylene, which also induces the fruit ripening. The development of abscission zone is formed by ethylene and auxin. The hormones function, you must know about these words meaning. We'll see auxin means to grow. Agar block is nothing but the growth medium that is used in the laboratory. Morphogenesis, the formation of new organs. Beckeney is a foolish seedling disease. Bolting, sudden cell elongation. Abscission means separation of leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. Physiological activities of these hormones. Auxin induces root formation as well as which is responsible for apical dominance. And auxin also induces parthenocarpic fruits. Parthenocarpy means seedless fruits. The seedless fruits without fertilization are induced by the external application of these auxins. That is known as parthenocarpy. You can write example for this parthenocarpy, watermelon, grapes, lemon, etc. Okay. Then auxin prevent the formation of abscission layer. What do you mean by abscission? We saw that the aging of the plant is controlled by formation of abscission layer. And then cytokinin that induces cell division and then it also causes an enlargement. Both auxin and cytokinin are essential for the formation of new organs, that is known as morphogenesis. Cytokinins promote the growth of lateral buds, even the presence of apical bud. And application of cytokinin delays the process of aging in plants. This is called Richmond-Lang effect. And gibberellin fugicori is the first artificial plant hormone that is produced from the fugicori fungus. And Beckeney disease is nothing but the foolish seedling disease in rice crops that is observed. And then gibberellic acid, the physiological activities of gibberellic acids are the elongation of internodes that also induces the growth of the plants that is observed in corn and pea, that is due to gibberellin. And then bolting is observed due to the excessive secretion of gibberellin. So treatment of rosette plants with gibberellin induces sudden growth in the internode, in the shoot, elongation followed by flowering. This is called bolting. And gibberellin promotes the production of male flowers in monoecious plants. In cucurbita or papaya, okay, this male flower production is induced by this gibberellin. And then gibberellins break dormancy of potato tubers. Gibberellin are efficient than auxins in inducing the formation of seedless fruit, that is known as parthenocarpic fruits. Then abscisic acid. Abscisic acid and ethylene are said to be growth inhibitors. So these causes stomatal closures, and they promotes the layer formation, the abscission layer formation. So abscission means the separation of leaves, flowers and fruits from the branch. The shedding up of dried leaves, fruits is known as abscission. Then abscisic acid promotes senescence. Senescence means aging. Abscisic acid induces bud dormancy, and abscisic acid is powerful inhibitor of lateral growth of in tomato. Then ethylene. Ethylene is the gaseous plant hormone, which is also a growth inhibitor. It is mainly concerned in the maturation of ripening of fruits. The physiological effect of ethylene is the formation of abscission zone that breaks dormancy in fruits, seeds and storage organs. It's a growth promoter hormone. We can classify auxin into two categories, natural auxin and synthetic auxin. Indole acetic acid is a natural auxin which is produced by the plant, especially in the aerial parts of the plant shoot and on the tip of the root. And then synthetic auxins are 4D or 2D dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, that is given in your text. Do you know phenyl acetic acid, indole 3 acetonitrile and indole 3 butyric acid, indole 3 propionic acid, naphthalene acetic acid, 2,4,5-T trichlorophenoxyacetic acid are some of the synthetic auxins. Out of these, phenyl acetic acid and indole 3 acetonitrile are natural auxins. Okay, now we'll see here with the physiological effects of this auxin. Wendt, Fritz Wormolt Wendt in 1903 to 1990 is a Dutch biologist. He proved that auxins are secreted in the tip of the shoot. In his first experiment, he removed the coleoptile. Coleoptile means the tip. He removed the coleoptile of the Avena. Avena sativa is a woad plant. He removed the tip of the coleoptiles. The cut tips did not show any growth. And in a second experiment, he placed the agar blocks on the decapitated head, which also does not show any growth. But in his third experiment, he placed the cut tip of the coleoptile on the agar medium. So the auxin is moved down into the agar block. After 1 hour, he placed that agar block on the decapitated end of the Avena plant, and then the plant shows the growth. So by this experiment, he proved that auxin is secreted on the tip of the coleoptile, which induces the elongation of the stem.